I was right, it is cone this time. Woo! So, we have our equation, explanation of where we get our equation. Why does it look like I'm writing up? Am I writing up?
Guys, I've been out of the classroom so long I can't write in a straight line anymore.
There we go. Okay. Two variables we have this time are r and h. So, thing you should know is pi r squared, that's how you find the area of a circle. Like you just find the radius and then you multiply by pi and you're done. Pi r squared is the area of a circle. Just like we did with the pyramid, we have to find the area of the base. And then we use the height to find out what the actual volume is. Once again, just like the pyramid, 1/3 of a cube is filled up by a cone. So if you were to fill a cone full of water, dump it into a cube, it would only fill up 1/3 of it. Same idea, that's why I take the 1/3. Okay? Okay, so we're gonna know the radius. Same as on the sphere, you start at the end, you go to the middle. That's our radius. And the same as on the pyramid, top to bottom, that's height. Okay? So let's say that my radius is, I don't want to get too horrible, but I'm tired of using 3s. So let's say our radius is 4. We'll say our height equals 6. So we're going to fill in those pieces. 1/3 times pi. Radius is 4. So it's going to be 4 squared. And height is 6, so times 6. So first things first, I like to do all of the arithmetic, the multiplication first, before we start tackling pi and the fraction. It's really up to you. However you like to solve these things, go for it. This is just my preference. So 4 times 4 is 16 times 6. Again, if you can do this without a calculator, I am impressed. But I'm being lazy today, because I've made a lot of videos. I'm going to use a calculator. Answer is 96. 16 times 6 is 96. So just like the last video, we're going to skip the pi for now. Okay? Multiply around the pi. So we have 96 over 3 pi. 96 divided by 3, I can actually do this one in my head. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, which means that it's 32 pi. Okay? So again, for the most part, your teachers are just going to have you leave the pi, but if you have access to a calculator, then you're going to go to your calculator. Okay? 32. Access calculator, turn it sideways. Or if you don't have to, good for you. And then we're going to multiply by pi. Equals 100.53. 100.53. There you go. And that's how you do a cone. Cones are pretty simple. Up next is probably the easiest one besides cube. I'm going to show you some fun things you can do with cylinders. Bye-bye.